Welcome back to episode 27. The body shell has now been collected by Dennis from Classic and Retro Restoration. It's a huge step forward in the car's restoration journey because Dennis's work is second to none and has restored hundreds of minis to a very high standard, so I know the shell's in good hands. I tried so hard to repair the bodywork myself, but I greatly underestimated how difficult it is, especially to do the job properly, so I had to do what was best for the car. It had already been poorly welded previously and I wasn't doing any better myself, and that wasn't in the car's best interest. Dennis has said that he'll try and send as many progress pictures as he can for me to use in my videos. I've taken a few photographs and I'll be able to compare before and after shots when the car returns. Starting with the back end, there's a multitude of repairs needed. The guttering is rotted, there are several holes down the sides, and the car is going to need a whole new boot floor. The parcel shelf has been butchered to fit some 6x9 speakers, but the holes are in the wrong place. This will be covered up eventually with a parcel shelf and new speakers, so I'll be happy if this just gets repaired with some new sheet metal so it saves on having to remove the shelf unnecessarily. The back end of the car certainly requires attention, as do the wheel arch areas. The whole floor is going to be replaced as it's completely gone. And Dennis will likely have to redo the work that I've done around the toe board because it's literally the crappiest quality work I've ever done. The flitch panels will be on repair, as is the right hand side door area, and things don't get better at the front where the panels don't line up and they've rotted as well. There's quite a bit of damage inside the engine bay as well, which hopefully the new flitch panels will sort out most of that. There's a few pinholes to fill, as well as straightening up some of the panels which are dented, have unwanted screws in them or showing signs of rusting. So while Dennis is sorting out the bodywork, I've now got the challenge of getting the rest of the parts clean, painted and ready to go back on. But the plan is that when I next see the shell in person, it'll be fully restored and painted and ready to put back together. So whilst nothing's set in stone yet, I'm really hoping that the car will be ready to drive for the summer.